I'd like to welcome you to the interactive case study for Session 5, Steps to Get Out of Debt. This couple is named Ken and Shirley. Their names have been just selected at random, but this is a set of facts that I've seen many, many times in the last 31 years. Ken and Shirley are married with 2 children. They own a successful business and both have above-average incomes. With their high incomes, they never had any problems obtaining credit, as the bank was more than willing to lend them large amounts of money. They never worried about their debt load because in the past they always had sufficient income to service the debt. Unfortunately, the economy entered a very severe recession, which caused the sales and profitability of their company to decrease substantially. The company's bank forced them to significantly reduce their salaries, and as a result they were unable to meet their mortgage payments. The institution who held the mortgage foreclosed on their home and sold it at the worst possible time in the middle of a bad recession. Among other things, they couldn't understand why God would allow this to happen to them. Question: most Christians experience significant disappointments during their lifetime that they cannot understand. What do you think would be an appropriate biblical perspective with respect to Ken and Shirley losing their home? Please choose the best answer out of the following. And here's the options. A, since God does not control the economy, Ken and Shirley simply encountered some bad luck due to the recession. B, the financial institution was unreasonable in foreclosing on their home. C, God is disciplining Ken and Shirley for their mismanagement of money. D, Ken and Shirley are reaping what they sow because they did not save during the good times for the bad times, such as a recession. E, God is pruning Ken and Shirley in order to draw them into a closer relationship with Him and to teach them God's way of managing money. Or F, all of the above. So choose the best one of those. The video is going to stop. Discuss it if you're in a group, and then click on the next video for my suggested solutions.